What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the R44 channel. Today we are working on behalf of MHC and we're going to show you their latest product for the F80 and F82 and F83 platform. This is the Performance Star front lip. So it's a 3-piece front splitter made from pre-Preg carbon fibre. It's backed by their 3-year warranty and fitment guarantee, so you know you're safe either way. If it doesn't fit, you're going to have a new one, but the likelihood of it doesn't fit is very, very thin because it is made in an aluminium mold. So it's a huge mold made in 2 pieces, and then this is 1 piece. So the quality is always there. So front ducts, you get 2 of these. I've left this one off for now. Beautiful piece. These are the same size as the M Performance style kind of ones. Again, all backed up with adhesive tape, really high quality tape, so they stick really well. As on our car that we did all the development on, we can't get them off, so we've left them on for now. Underneath the duct, you've got 2 fixings on the side. You've got some OEM fixings and some more along the front, as well as some tape just to seal the joint. Coming to the middle, you've got 1 screw there, and then again on the left hand side you've got loads more. Inside the box you'll get pre-supplied stainless steel 19mm self-tapping screws. These are kind of designed to grab the BMW bumpers really well, and they're stainless steel so there's no rust. But other than that, that is it. It's slightly more beefed up, so the guys at MHC, they beefed it up a little bit. You kind of lose a little bit of aesthetics, but it looks meaner, as well as you get a lot more strength. If it was too thin, you lose a lot of strength, and you can have problems where under high kind of speeds, it can pull down and things like that. But yeah, less of that. Let's look at the fitting side of things. So I'm going to run you through the ducts, because I've already got the ducts installed on our car, and I don't want to take them off in case I damage them or things like that. And they've fitted up really nicely already. So the ducts are simple. We recommend you can take this one off. So you just undo this tape here. You can peel it back like so. Again, the same here. Just use a panel wipe that's provided, or use a panel wipe, clean the surface, remove any ceramic coating or things like that. You've got 1 more tape along the back here. You can just remove that as well. So peel them back about 3 centimeters or 2 to 3 centimeters. Dry fit them on the car, get the fitment right, and then pull this out the back. Make sure your fitment's perfect, pull it all out, all the way around. Once it's on the car, pull it all the way off, and then stick it down. Don't remove it all before you put it on the car, otherwise you'll have problems getting it fitted perfect, because these fit extremely tight to the body line. So that's the front duct. The splitter, I'm going to remove these screws. So use arrangement of self-tapping screws as OEM screws to install it. So let's get this car up in the air, and then we'll catch you underneath the car and figure out what we've got to remove. All right, everybody, we are now underneath the car. So you would normally have a shield here, but we're actually doing some other work on the car, so ours is removed, but you leave that in place. There's 3 screws along the front here, and we recommend taking the screws off the back. They're just 8mm sockets, so just wind them off and remove them. You can see my car really does get some battering, but it is a track car, so that's what it's here for. All right, guys and girls, so there are 3 8mm sockets across the front here that you need to remove. So just 8mm socket, remove them, and then pull down this flap. This gives you access so we can tuck the front lip in and then screw it back in. So we'll catch you in a moment when we get the front lip in. Slide the front lip in, so you're just pulling down each side, tucking it in like so, and then you're pretty much going to just leave it out like that. You're going to grab your electric driver with a PZ2 bit for the self-tapper. You're going to come in, your lovely hands here are going to come and help you, and you're just going to focus primarily on getting this to line up. So you just, as if you can just push it in slightly. That's it. A couple more, a little bit more. That's it. And then like so, we're just going to put 1 self-tapper in there. You can leave them slightly loose to start off with, while we just go around and tighten it all up. But what I try and do is focus on one side first and then go over to the other side, and the middle will take care of itself. So you come round, and then let's just do the middle, like so. So now you lined up this side, and just again, put the self-tappers in, tighten them up. And again, you've got a nice finish there. Looks really good. It's nice and tight along the front. And then just put 1 screw in the middle. Nice and tight. And then the last couple screws, you can just go along here along this side, and this will pull in. For video purposes, we haven't pulled off the 3M tape, but you can just peel off the 3M tape just to get it nice and tight finish along the front. And there you go. It's all installed, ready to go.